This is my cup of coffee, and this is my coffee cup drone. Yes, it fits into a coffee cup, but will it fly? Let's go see. This is the Snaptain, rhymes with Captain, A10 mini drone. It's foldable and it fits into a regular coffee cup. It even unfolds like the wildly popular DJI Mini drone. It comes with a 720p, air quotes, camera, air quotes, but that's not why I got it. It has two slip-in rechargeable batteries that seem to have a 9-minute lifespan. There is a remote that will hold a smartphone. There are also 4 prop guards if you want to fly it in the house. There's a quick reconfigure needed before you start it. So let's see if it will fly. I'm a rookie drone pilot, but here she goes. It's a pretty sporty drone that goes all over the place, but yes, it does fly. The camera has no SD card and it sends the footage to your phone, and it's not of great quality. But it is cool in that it gives a Super 8 home movie effect that you just don't get from filters or plugins. It's just damn fun to fly. There will be a link in the description on where you can get this drone. Don't feel shy, like and subscribe. So now you know about the coffee cup drone.